This world will never be what I expected. And if I don't be alone, who would have guessed it? I will not leave alone everything that I own to make you feel like it's not too late. It's never too late. I will not leave alone everything that I own to make you feel like it's not too late. It's never too late. Even if I say it'll be alright, I will not leave alone everything that I own to make you feel like it's not too late. It's never too late. Sorry to interrupt, but this was Tall Star, this was Bone, and this was White Storm. Now, on with the video. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. Silverstream. Brick. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. Jumper or Hoot? I'm not sure which one. It was Barley's brother. Even if I say, wait, no, Smudge. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. Sasha. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. Princess. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. That was Princess. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. You guessed it, it was Golden Flower. Holly Leaf. Even if I say it'll be alright, you still hear me say I want to end your life. That was spoilers for Holly Leaf's everything. Sorry, Holly Leaf, I care about you. You're not a joke. Scourge. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. Cloudtail. Ooh, even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. What? What? Huh? Apple Dusk. Well, sorry for the bow. It's the closest thing I had. Apple. Wait, no. This is Bramble Star. Even if I say, what was my line again? It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Good, it'll be alright. I still hear you say. You're saying you want to end Bramble Star's life. Yeah. Sorry, Bramble Star forgot the lines there, but he still sang the song. Tiger Star, you're next. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. That was a good solo, but I still hate you, Tiger Star. We killed too many cats to make the mark of a good villain. Long tail. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. Squirrel's like, even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. The random cat of Blood Clan, I'm pretty sure it was Violet. Even if I say it'll be alright, I'll still hear you say you want to end your life, mate. Sorry, I just imagine Violet. Sorry for making Violet sound like a boy. It's hard to do a girl Australian accent because I imagine her having an Australian accent. Next is Blue Star. Even if I say, so she's like I don't know what to call it. She's like a British Australian accent. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. I think that's a good Blue Star voice. Seems appealed. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. Maple Shade. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. One Eye. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. Sorry, the model for One Eye I use is glass. Gotta get this out of the way. I have 2 Bramble Stars. Bright Star. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. Sandstorm. Even if I say it'll be alright, I still hear you say you want to end your life. Okay, sorry, we're done here. One more audition. Then we're done. Luna's in Warrior Cats Ultimate Edition. LOL emo. It'll be 30 Days Grace is hot. Sorry, I had to include Luna at the end. I just had to. So, that was my little thing. That's what the Warrior Cat voices sound like. Yeah, that's what they really sound like. Well, I don't know what they sound like because that's what I read them as whenever I'm reading a book. Yes! If I get Ravenpaw's something for Christmas, and I'll be doing an Australian accent for whores. I'll just have to. It's too funny. Bye, guys. Like I said, not a single warrior cat was harmed in the making of this video. Jealousy be gone, jealousy be gone, jealousy be gone, jealousy be gone, goodbye.